right, so get your hip, knee, ankle lined up. Go ahead, grab some dumbbells. Shoulders back and down. I want you to turn your hands. Chest up. Stick your butt out all the way and bend forward. Get as far down as you can so your back is kind of parallel to the floor. Now, I want your arms out here. Line up your hands with your shoulder. If they're down here, it's not going to work it in the right place. We want to hit that rear delt. So, I want you to keep your head up during this exercise. The reason why your shoulders are naturally going to go down when you keep your head up, keeps your chest down. Hands are nice and straight, wrists are strong, elbows upward. You're going to come up, bam, and squeeze that rear delt. Look at how his elbows are slightly bent. That's perfect. Slightly bent. You don't want to lock out your arms. It'll put pressure in the elbow. Breathe in on the way down, go out on the way up. You want to go down as far as they're like right before touching one another, and then go up as high as you can. So look at how his elbows are lined up with his shoulders. He's down pretty far, and now come up. Bam, lead with the elbow and squeeze that rear delt. And watch how his back is not moving up and down. He's nice and solid. Just his shoulders are getting hit hard. Feet are straight. Everything is aligned up here. Make sure your hands are lined up with your shoulder. If they're down here, no good. It's going to work a different muscle. You've got to get it up here and fight it up there. Very common with this exercise where people bring it down.